Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. If you're looking to start your own digital product business on Etsy, printables are the most popular and profitable option. With Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool, you can easily create beautiful and marketable printables that customers will love. Now, if you don't know, Canva is an online design tool that offers a wide range of templates, graphics, fonts, and other creative elements that help you bring your ideas to life. It's a versatile platform that doesn't require any design experience, making it accessible to beginners and experienced designers alike. Printables are digital files that customers can download and print at home. They can range from planners and calendars to wall art, coloring pages, checklists, and more. Creating and selling printables allows you to tap into a wide range of niche and cater to various people's needs. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating printables in Canva to sell in Etsy. We'll cover everything from selecting the right template or starting from scratch. And so let's begin. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course go to Canva, and then you're going to have to select a topic, select a printable theme or topic that you will be designing. So for today's video, we will be designing a calendar. Now you can either start from scratch or by using a template. To use a template, you're simply going to go to Canva, click on the search bar over here, and you're going to search calendar. By doing this, you will be able to see calendar options over here. We have calendar or wall calendar over here. We're going to go with the normal calendar over here, and we will be able to see all the different templates designed by the community, designed by Canva for us to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of different designs or templates that are specifically for calendar. Now, what you're going to do is you're simply going to select one of these templates that you like, and we're going to edit them and make it into our own. We're going to edit enough of the content to make it unique and unique to ourselves. So we're going to do that. But for you, if you would like to start fresh, if you don't want to use any template, if you want to start from scratch, you can simply click on create blank over here, and you will be able to be redirected to the editing page without anything on your canvas. All you will have is the size over here that you will be using, as you can see here. And if ever you did change your mind, the templates will still be available over here on the left side. Now going back here, we're simply going to select a calendar that we would like to create our design on. Now for example, we have this minimalist pastel over here. We're going to select this. This is created by Woman Punch over here, and we can see information about this calendar. As you can see, you could also see more similar calendars just as this one. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on customize this template, and we will be redirected once again to the editing page of Canva. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit and customize this template to make it more unique to us. So as you can see, we have our different elements over here. We will be able to edit every single element. Now before we start, for me, I am going to make a cover page first. So we're going to have this, and we're going to think of a theme. Right now, the theme of this is like very pinkish and like has a cactus over here on the side. Now for me, what I think my theme would be about fruits. So for example, a specific type of fruit is orange. So we're going to go with that, orange. Click on search, and we will be able to see all the different graphics available here. Now what we're simply going to do is we're going to combine different elements, for example this one over here, to make our cover page over here. So we're going to put this on the top, actually just like this, and we're going to make sure this is centered just like that. And then we could add different elements to our design. For example, this one, we could add it over here, just like an example, and we could look for more similar designs over here. Let's see if they are similar. See more like this, and we could see the different designs that are similar to our design over here. So we're simply going to select the closest one, going to put it over here, make this one smaller just like that, and put it in the section. And we could put this also together with our design over here, put it in the back just like that, adjust the position to the back just like that. And going back to elements, we could add more design over here. We're going to see more like this. And let's see if we could add more things. For example, maybe we have this one also. Put it over here. And this will be just a background of our flowers right now. And adjust it a bit, just like that. Put it over here. Adjust the position once again. Put it to the back end, just like that. We have a very simple flower design. Now going back to our elements over here, we're going to search for orange circle, just like that. And let's see what it produced. We have this circle over here. We have various designs over here. We could go with this one, put it over here, or actually we can delete this and we could put it this one instead, just like that. Put it in the middle, and we could like duplicate this, just like that. And each color would have a different shade of orange, just like that. We could make this one lighter, could make this one brighter, just like that. And we have different shades over here. We could just rearrange them. We could change the design over here, just like that. And we're going to select all of this, make sure that is centered, just like that. Then we're going to position it to the back, just like that, so that our design over here won't be affected. Now we could go back to our elements over here, go to orange once again, and go back here. Let's look for more designs. We could have this one as our very background, just like that. And now we have orange themed, very simple design over here, and we could add orange over here on the top. It's not the best, it's just a very random design that I have created over here. This is just to show you the potential of how good you could use Canva for. And as you can see, we have our simple design over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our text. We're going to select a heading or a title font over here. Let's look for a very good font group over here. For example, this one. And we're going to edit all of this. And let's say calendar, just like that. We have a simple calendar cover letter over here. It's not the best, just like I said earlier, but this will do for now. And now over here, what you can do with this font or this style that we have selected here is we could change everything else. So we could change the background to orange. We could make it brighter, a lighter color, just like that. And we could change the background elements to something else. We could go to orange over here. We could delete this cactus in this side and we could replace it with our orange logo over here. We could add some more designs over here. We could use this one. We could flip this to horizontal and vertical, just like that. So we have our shape over here. We could add it to this side as well. We're going to flip it horizontally, just like that. And now we have our texture on the back. We could send the position to the back. We could also, same thing over here. And now we could also change the font style over here to whatever font style we want. For example, quicksand over here. And we could change the font of all of this a day also. So we're going to select all of them, then change it to our quicksand over here. You can also change the color of our design over here by selecting the specific element. You could change the color of that. You could also edit every single elements we are seeing over here. So what we're going to do, we could edit our designs over here. We could zoom in and we could select our entire thing here. We could change it to an orange, change it to a very bright orange actually, and just like that we have another design. Then we could delete this one over here. We could delete the designs here, just like that. And now we could add more designs. It is completely up to you on what type of designs you would like to add. We're just adding random designs, but you can see the potential of how good you could use Canva for your designs over here. And now we have a very simple orange theme design over here. You could add more things if you would like. I'm just not really good with the theme that I have selected over here, but we're going to stick with it. And now we have our design over here. We could delete that one actually. We could put this over here on the top, put it on the top left, and we could adjust the position to the back. And now we have our very simple calendar over here. Now what we can do is you could simply download this, click on share, download it as a PDF, JPEG, PNG, whatever you would like to have as a file type. And you could go to your Etsy store over here, upload it as a digital product and printable, and people will be able to print your calendar design over here when they purchase it on your Etsy store. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.